Mid-air collision. Man, it sure is a good day out. Oh, I want to fly right now. PSA flight 182. I think that's the flight. Get ready for departure. Okay, I'll be ready. Oh, imagine what good flight I will have today. No. Man, it sure is a good day out flying. Man, I really wish all days were like this. It sometimes just randomly rains. And I hate it. Because that's when I don't get to fly. And I go flying. Meanwhile, at the ATC. Yeah, in the controllers here, there kind of seems to be flight of 182 and this other plane. For some reason, it is unrecognized, but it says 172. And they're heading towards each other. Okay, hopefully they will get the alarm things. A deep plan. Climb. Climb now. Climb. Climb now. Climb. Woof. No, this is not an Uber Lincoln midair. This is not the 5th Uber Lincoln midair collision recreation. That's a 727, bro. Oh. Come on, let's go fly. Oh, that seems like a fun landing spot. Come on, let's go there. Both planes were rapidly descending, and that means catastrophe was about to happen. Wow, so good. Wait, what is this? Oh God, I can't live. Nobody survived. They all died. Just like you will now.